morning, class. So I hope you're all having a wonderful today and is also in the mood to meet a new friend. So we actually have a new transferee today. I hope you make her feel at home. She is, so everyone, meet Asia. Can you please introduce yourself to the class so you can spill everything?
Hi, I'm Asia. Katulad ng sinabi ni Miss, I'm a transferee here since my parents' work was relocated here. Hello po.
Is that all? You miss it.
Hi, I'm Abby and this is my friend Tash. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Dash. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys as well. Balita ko mahirap daw yung mga courses natin dito.
Yes, actually, or other friends na nahirapan sa ibang courses dito. Pero, we took care of ourselves.
Siyempre, tulungan din naman tayo dito. Di ka namin papabayaan. Teamwork, promise.
Thank you so much guys and I hope we get along. I feel less nervous now.
Oh, kumusta? Parang sobrang stress ka na.
Hirap na ako sa program natin. Ang dami pa nating inaaral ngayon. Di ba nga, transferee pa ako. Ang bilis ng pacing dito. Di na ako nakakapag-skincare. Di na ako nakakakuha ng tamang oras sa tulog. Tsaka, mga babe, hindi pa ako kumakain.
Kumain ka na muna. Ito, niluto namin ni Abby. Napapabayaan mo ni sarili mo.
Gets ko na mahirap, lalo na nag-adjust ka pa. But you still have to take care of yourself, no?
One of that is to eat healthy. Healthy body, healthy mind.
Ay nako, ikaw nga lagi mo kami sinasabihan na kumain lagi, tapos ikaw di ako kumakain. Dapat, you have to take care of yourself before you take care of others.
Yun, ang tunay na self-care.
Thank you guys. I will keep that in mind.
Alam mo, kapag struggle ka, huwag ka mayang lumapit sa amin. Seek social support
Oo, tsaka huwag mong i-deny yung emotions mo Acknowledge it. Pwede mo kaming kausapin tungkol dun. Mapa-stress man, fear, at saka happiness, syempre.
Salamat talaga. I'll try my best to take care of myself and ask for help when I need it.
Hi, class. Do you understand the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, I would like to announce your final requirement for the subject, a paper defense performance task.
OMG, defense! So excited! Ano presenting ka na?
Presenting agad? Kabago-bago ko dito, baka mabagsak ko naman.
Why do you think so?
Hindi ako magaling sa presenting Tsaka wala bang konting awa para sa mga new students like me?
But Asia, this kind of pedals will improve you. Kung sa tingin mo hindi ka magaling, you just have to practice well.
Tsaka dapat maging thankful tayo sa mga opportunities na binibigay sa atin para alam mo yun, maging better tayo.
Yes, more gratitude, less attitude.
Kaso paano yan? Ang dami nating gagawin. Ang dami pang naghihintay sa akin ng mga activities natin. Paano ko naman ibabalance lahat, di ba?
Kalma ka muna. Sige, ganito na lang. One step at a time, okay? Mag-establish ka ng routine mo everyday para na-manage mo yung time management mo nang hindi nasisira yung health mo.
True, para alam mo yun, para hindi mo na-overwork yung sarili mo.
Thank you guys. Sorry, nagulat lang talaga ako. Pero I'm definitely thankful sa mga resources that I have to learn.
Tsaka don't worry, magka-group naman tayo, tsaka we can collaborate para magkaroon tayo ng good output.
Thank you.
So, first year sila?
Oo, tsaka yung yung short film na lang yun.
Guys, I got a perfect score!
Wow! Ang galing mo!
Thank you so much for helping me guys at sa mga self-care tips na sinabi niyo sa akin. Hindi ko naman talaga to kakayanin pag wala kayo
Siyempre naman Asia, we're friends kaya.
Tsaka sinabi naman namin sa'yo, manuwala ka lang sa sarili mo.
Wait, bakit parang malungkot ka, Tash?
Baka kasi ng score ko Nag-review naman ako ng maayos. Tapos confident din ako nagsagot ng exam.
Alam mo friend, dapat we find ways to manage disappointment. And dapat matuto tayo mag-reframe.
Reframe?
Oo, look things on the positive side. Baka naman nagpuwet ka kagabi, kaya hindi ka nakapag-retain ng information.
Oo, Tsaka nag-tiktok pa kasi ako.
O, yun naman pala. Diba, next time, improve mo yung tulog mo at saka limit your media consumption. Kakasalpo mo yan
Hindi ka guys, pero nakabonggo. Ikaw ay
Galing.
Thank you.
What's going on here?
Mom, I got a perfect score on the test, oh.
Wow, that's wonderful, Asia. I've seen how much effort you've been putting into your studies lately, and it's inspiring to see you grow into your full potential.
Ma'am, si Asia, ang galing niya na pong mag-manage yung stress niya. She's been taking care of herself better and collaborating with us.
Basta always remember everyone yung success is not just about academic performance. Kasama na rin dito kung paano mo alagaan yung sarili mo at saka kung paano ka makipag-collaborate with others. Keep it up all of you.
Ito mo, even mom notice your progress.
Exactly! And remember, hindi ka na-transfer ngayon. You're one of us.
Aw, thank you. I feel like I really belong here now.
Uy, celebration naman dyan. Self-care, di ba?
Oo nga, deserve natin ng reward after all this hard work. Deserve natin to, guys.
Libre niyo ako, ah. Libre niyo ako.